Scene script. Have you ever wondered what role iron plays in the growth of your plants and the success of your agriculture? Well, the importance of iron is often underestimated, overshadowed by other macronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Yet iron plays a vital role in plant growth and overall agricultural success. It's time to shine a light on this underappreciated micronutrient and recognize its true value in our fields and gardens. Iron is a key player in the production of chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their green color and is responsible for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light into energy. Without enough iron, plants can't produce sufficient chlorophyll, leading to less energy and slower growth. But that's not all. Iron is also involved in numerous other essential plant functions, contributing to the overall health and productivity of your crops. Think of iron as the unsung hero of the plant world, always working behind the scenes to ensure plants are healthy and thriving. It's involved in enzyme activity, helping with plant respiration, nitrogen fixation, and hormone production. These processes are critical for plant metabolism and growth, and without enough iron, they can't function properly. Iron also contributes to the strength of plant structures. It's involved in the biosynthesis of lignin, a key component of cell walls. This gives plants structural stability and resistance to pests, diseases, and environmental stresses. Plants with sufficient iron are better able to withstand harsh conditions and produce higher yields. Moreover, iron enhances the nutritional value of crops. It's an essential micronutrient for both plants and humans. Crops with adequate iron content have higher iron bioavailability, potentially improving the nutritional value of the food we eat. Despite its importance, iron is often overlooked in agricultural practices. But understanding how to utilize iron effectively can significantly boost your crop yields and quality. It's not just about applying more iron, but about applying it in the right way and at the right time. Iron, though often overlooked, is an essential ingredient for successful agriculture. So, let's delve deeper into the benefits of iron, the methods of its application, and the key considerations for its use in the following scenes. Stay tuned! Let's dive into the benefits of iron application, starting with its role in photosynthesis. Iron is the unsung hero in the world of photosynthesis, being crucial for the synthesis of chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their green color. But its role extends beyond aesthetics. Chlorophyll is the key player in photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into sugars. This is the plant's way of creating its food. Without iron, the production of chlorophyll would be hampered, and subsequently, photosynthesis would be less efficient. So, when plants have adequate iron levels, they are able to capture light more efficiently and convert it into sugars. These sugars are then used to fuel growth and boost productivity. So in essence, the iron in your soil is a key player in powering your plants and helping them grow strong and healthy. The right iron levels can boost your plant's growth and productivity. Iron isn't just for photosynthesis, it's also a critical component of several enzymes. Now, these aren't household enzymes we're talking about, but the ones that get to work behind the scenes, driving vital plant processes. We're talking about plant respiration, the process that transforms sugars into energy, keeping the plant alive and kicking. Iron also plays a starring role in nitrogen fixation, a process that converts atmospheric nitrogen into a form plants can use to build proteins and DNA. Without iron, this process just wouldn't be the same. And let's not forget hormone production. These plant hormones regulate growth and development, and you guessed it, they need iron to do their job well. So in essence, iron is like the oil that keeps the plant's metabolic engine running smoothly. It's involved in the nitty-gritty of plant metabolism, influencing every aspect from energy production to growth. Iron ensures the smooth functioning of these essential processes. Did you know that iron also contributes to the structural stability of your plants? That's right, apart from its role in photosynthesis and enzyme activity, iron plays a crucial part in the formation of lignin, which is a primary component of plant cell walls. Lignin is like the cement that holds the bricks of a wall together. It provides rigidity and strength to the plant structure, allowing it to stand tall and firm. This structural stability is not just about aesthetics, it's also about survival. Plants with adequate lignin are better equipped to resist pest invasions, diseases, and environmental stresses such as high winds or heavy rain. Moreover, a stronger plant structure means the capacity to bear more fruits and seeds, which directly translates to higher yields. So, By ensuring an optimal iron supply, you're essentially reinforcing your plants from the inside out. Iron-sufficient plants are better equipped to withstand harsh conditions and produce higher yields. Iron also has a direct impact on the nutritional value of your crops. You see, iron isn't just an essential nutrient for plants, but for humans too. When crops have sufficient iron content, they offer higher iron bioavailability. So what does this mean? Well, when we consume these iron-rich crops, our bodies can absorb and utilize this essential nutrient more effectively. This is crucial because iron plays vital roles in our bodies, from aiding in oxygen transport to supporting immune function and cognitive development. So when you enrich your crops with iron, you're not just boosting their growth and resilience, you're also improving the nutritional value of the food that ends up on our plates. And this, in turn, can contribute to better health and well-being for those who consume these crops. So in a way, by nourishing your plants with iron, you're also nourishing people. Iron is essential not just for plants, but also for humans. Now that we know the benefits of iron, how can we effectively apply it in agriculture? That's the question we're going to tackle in this segment. First, let's talk about soil application. This method involves applying iron sulfate or chelated iron products to the soil before planting. The iron acts as a long-term source of this crucial nutrient that plants can take up as they grow. It's like packing a lunchbox full of nutritious goodies for your plants, ready for them to munch on when they get hungry. Next up, we have foliar sprays. This method is like delivering a hearty meal straight to your plant's door. Iron chelates are sprayed directly onto the leaves, offering a quick solution for iron deficiency symptoms. This technique is particularly useful in alkaline soils, where iron availability is limited. It's like a fast food delivery service for your plants, providing them with the iron they need right when they need it. Then we have fertilizer blends. This method is about ensuring a balanced diet for your plants. By choosing fertilizers enriched with iron alongside other essential nutrients, you can ensure that your plants are getting a well-rounded nutrient intake. It's like preparing a balanced meal for your plants, making sure they get all the nutrients they need for optimal growth. But how do you choose the right method? Well, it's all about understanding your soil and your plants. Soil testing can help you determine the available iron levels in your soil. This is important because too much iron can actually be toxic to plants. It's like going for a health checkup. You need to know what's going on inside your body, or in this case, your soil, to make informed decisions about your health or your plant's health. Different crops also have different iron requirements. Just like how a bodybuilder needs more protein than an office worker, a tomato plant might need more iron than a corn plant. Researching the specific needs of your crop is crucial for determining the optimal application rates. Soil conditions also play a big role. The pH, organic matter content, and aeration of your soil can significantly influence iron availability. Just like how the environment you live in can affect your health, the conditions of your soil can affect your plant's health. Lastly, environmental factors such as rainfall or irrigation can affect iron availability. Excessive water can leach iron from the soil, requiring more frequent applications. It's like drinking too much water can wash out the nutrients from your body. Too much water can wash away the iron from your soil. Choosing the right method of application is crucial for the most efficient uptake of iron. It's not just about giving your plants iron. It's about giving it to them in the right way, at the right time, and in the right amounts. Because when it comes to iron application, it's all about quality, not quantity. Before you start applying iron, there are a few key considerations you need to keep in mind. Firstly, consider the importance of soil testing. It's essential to know what's already in your soil before you add anything to it. You wouldn't add sugar to your tea without tasting it first, right? The same principle applies here. Regular soil testing helps you determine the available iron levels and can guide you on the amount of iron you need to apply. This way, you avoid the risk of over-application, which can be toxic to plants. Always remember, while iron is beneficial, too much of it can cause the opposite effect. Moving on, let's talk about understanding crop-specific needs. Just like people, different crops have different nutritional requirements. Some crops might need more iron, while others might need less. So it's crucial to research the specific needs of your crop before applying iron. This ensures that you're not under or oversupplying your crops with iron, which could negatively affect their growth and productivity. Next up is considering soil conditions. The availability and uptake of iron in your soil depends significantly on factors such as soil pH, organic matter content, and aeration. For instance, iron is less available in alkaline soils and more available in acidic soils. Similarly, the presence of organic matter and proper soil aeration can improve iron availability. So adjusting your application methods based on these conditions ensures efficient uptake of iron by your plants. Finally, don't forget to adjust for environmental factors. Mother Nature can sometimes throw a wrench in your plans. Excessive rainfall or irrigation can leach iron from the soil, reducing its availability to your crops. This would require more frequent applications to maintain optimal iron levels. In conclusion, iron application isn't just a matter of dumping iron onto your fields. It involves a strategic approach that takes into account soil testing, understanding crop-specific needs, considering soil conditions, and adjusting for environmental factors. Regular consideration of these factors ensures efficient iron uptake and avoids potential toxicity. So the next time you're planning your iron application, remember these key considerations. They'll guide you towards achieving optimal crop growth, improved productivity, and ultimately a bountiful harvest. Iron, a small but mighty element, holds great power in the realm of agriculture. Over the course of this discussion, we've unveiled the incredible impact this often overlooked nutrient can have. Let's take a moment to recap. Iron is not just a simple nutrient. It is the lifeblood of photosynthesis, the process that allows plants to convert light into the energy they need to grow and thrive. By fueling chlorophyll synthesis, iron ensures that light capture and conversion into sugars is efficient, leading to increased plant growth and productivity. Beyond photosynthesis, iron is a critical component of several enzymes involved in plant respiration, nitrogen fixation, and hormone production. These processes are pivotal to plant metabolism and growth, and optimal iron supply ensures they function at their best. Iron also contributes to the strength and resilience of plants. It is involved in lignin biosynthesis, a key component of cell walls, giving plants the structural stability they need to fend off pests, diseases, and environmental stresses. Plants with sufficient iron are better equipped to withstand harsh conditions and produce higher yields. And let's not forget the nutritional aspect. Iron is an essential micronutrient not just for plants, but for humans too. Crops with adequate iron content can potentially enhance the nutritional value of our food. Applying iron to your crops can take various forms. It can be added to the soil pre-planting, sprayed directly onto leaves, or blended into your fertilizer. The method you choose depends on several factors, including the specific needs of your crop, your soil conditions, and environmental factors. Regular soil testing can help you avoid over-application, while researching your crop's specific needs and adjusting your application methods based on soil conditions can ensure efficient uptake. Investing in iron application is a strategic decision that can yield significant rewards. Remember, a little iron can go a long way in maximizing your agricultural success and promoting sustainable growth.